Alright. Turn the video. What up, dummies? A wise man once said. Let me do something a wise man once did. Yo, what up, dummies? So today we're exposing another one of my crappy, not for your page. So, you're not allowed to comment. I'm a minor. I don't know why YouTube does that, but. Oh, well, I'm gonna torque all those chairs. Yeah, subscribe. Because I just lost all my dignity. Oh, a grapefruit. And if you're from. I can't say it or I'm gonna get killed tomorrow at school. Oh well. Charles Lynch, Daniel Wilkie, Noah Kreider, Gideon Allen Ryder. If you are watching this, special shout out to y'all. Come to school tomorrow and be happy. And he says, so we're exposing a crappy person. Man, my setup is so shooty. I'm sitting in a dang chair in my kitchen on this. Subscribe so I can get a setup or something. I don't care. I don't care. I need to wipe my mouth. It's so oily, bro. Okay, so, oh. Let me move my stupid webcam. It's not even a webcam. Hey, you're not supposed to see the video yet. Hey! I'm just gonna... Okay. Okay, wait. This might actually be fire. I did that. But this beach wrap is actually sick. It was me, I'd be happy.
My high school band teacher and I had one thing in common. We both liked the same girls in our class.
What the? So, I don't know about you, but the beat stolen edits from Capco, which is what I use because I don't know how to edit, but well, I need my glasses. Hey, I need those. There's a. According to my calculations, this YouTuber's handle is at DJ Kobe's Cringe. Okay. There's one rule that I don't know if you know is you can't be hating on good YouTubers if you're not a good YouTuber. So, if you're watching this, I'm going to put your name in the description. So you see this. I'm going to find your address. I'm going to dox you. Nah, I'm just kidding. Who said I'd do that? Who said I'd do that? Just... Hey, Ronnie. Alright, good girl. Hi, this is my cat. She's Ava. Say hi, Ava. She said hi. So she's gonna be in videos from now on. So say hi, Ava. Say hi. Say hi, bro. I will give you cat treats if you say hi. Okay. So let's look at this. So I just wanted to see her YouTube shorts, you know, see if they're cracked or not. Tone. The ads on her channel are better than her actual videos.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to
The
say
solar
something,
system.
but please go subscribe to like one of my friends. It really cool.
I just wanted to say something. Down there is something I cannot say on camera, and I'm probably gonna get banned for it, but I don't give up. So, Wait, what am I supposed to find right now? I'm trying to find something. Wait, am I not recording? If I'm not recording, I'm going to die. Okay, so. Like, you can't be serious right now. Like, bro, what are you doing with your life? What are you doing with your life? I know what I'm doing with my life. I'm gonna get a job as soon as I turn 18. You're like 18 already. You're like a Discord mod. Anyways, how did that happen? I don't know. Oh.
Well, bye. Hey, Jack.
Rather let your actions speak for you.
Dang! You know, she only just said 20 words in English. When here's some real song. So Red Jane went to radio station very next day. Hey fat, I'ma kill you. They're screaming at you at supersonic speed. Some lemon use it. He went why I do get it for you. Some people invaded on me, rub sign face, says friction on me, so them say over there, say how good my life and all feels like they never think so I know heads are ran for a day, so I fell because it's failure. Because I know that I make elevated music. You make elevated music. I probably missed some words in there, but still. I'm 9 and I can rap God. Who said I couldn't? You know the song that you picked actually sucks, you racist piece of mother. So I just saw this. Paper. Towel. Well, bleach.
Yeah.
Oh, I do.
I wanna build with you. I wanna